These jail bars are ridiculous. It's so distracting. It's unwatchable. Look at the... I think it's LED. Oh, why are you saying, oh, I think it is? Look at the lines. If I don't have any capacitors I could put in here to replace the bad ones, I'm not even going to waste any more money on it. Too bad the noise is there too. Cool. Radio, TV, phono nut after dark. Anyway, here's the description and what that cap is supposed to do. Allegedly. Ooh, look at that. Crusty. Tin UF160, that does some horizontal smoothing thing, so maybe that's causing the jail bars. Who knows? It's the worst case of them I've ever seen. Since I can't pull the board because of the stupid IF cable soldered to the RCA connector, that thing, that one's not soldered. That one is, and the other one. The plastic's not sticking out. So what I'm going to do is Tate mode, or serviceman mode. All the solder joints on the flyback are good. Very good. Apparently flux can cause problems. Being conductive. All the joints look okay. There's a hot spot, vertical out. That one looks kind of bad. The nicotine is getting to me. Gonna use the, gonna reuse the heat shrink tubing thing. It's a bit puffed up. 10 microfarad 160. The Rubicon's bad, just as I suspected. Look at that. Thing's stuck. Look at that one. Yep, knew that one was bad. Love how the battery I've been using all day randomly isn't compatible, allegedly, by the Handycam. Anyway. Damn. I don't know if I have a replacement for that. I have one that's 33 microfarad 250. Okay, cool. That's Rubicon as well. Nice. It is from 1997, 105C. Perfect. Pulled C004. Even though it looked okay. And man, is this one bad. Holy crap. Gross. Threw that 33 in there because that's the closest one I have, and I don't want to buy new caps for this. I think we'll pull that one next. All these are in place and they're staying, so that's good. Might have to do that one too. Gross. This one's so bad. The lead got corroded off. I think this is my first genuinely high hour set. Okay, it's in there. There's a Sanyo capacitor from that. No way in hell I'm putting that 105 degree Matsushita capacitor in there. And this piece of crap, because, well, it's a piece of crap now, but back in the day it was okay. Here's a 470 or 50. Look at that ESR. 0. This one is from right there. Thought I'd check it anyway. Surprisingly, that one wasn't bad, but it's not by that heatsink. That's the new one from 1999. 37th week. Yeah. That one's okay too. Looking forward to the next bulk pickup. Maybe we'll see a CRT TV on the side of the road. But I'm like him. He doesn't care for that one, but he saved it anyway. He's kind of like me. Just something to do, something to play with. Now this is for light. And it's situated so there's no glare on the TV. Just those. Don't care. Hidden cigarette glaze. They're kind of rough with this thing. What they put it down on. Okay, let's turn the set around. Yep, nothing. Weird. Well, it's slowly coming back. Won't get a copyright thing for that song this time. Of course, it's not going to focus now. Oh, it's coming back. God, fucking focus, stupid ass. Okay. Weird. The only thing I could think of is we should put the high voltage adjust back to high instead of neutral. I put it on neutral or the other one because I thought it was getting too much HV, making it do the flaring thing. So we'll switch that out and be right back. Okay, I'm 90% sure that was the problem. Ooh, it degaussed. I'll have to see the other part, see if I actually heard it degauss on video. Ooh, that's not the problem. Fuck, I was so sure. Literally can't be anything else. What the hell? Tuner problem? Ah, no jail bars. Okay, I'm just being stupid. I had the screen control turned down too much. Were those bad caps really weighing it down that bad? Because it wasn't high enough. And now it's high enough and I could see it. So we really had to overdrive it. That's weird. Yeah, bad caps. It's been a while since I learned something, picking up one of these TVs and messing with it. It's freaking awesome. Jail bars are gone too. I didn't see the flaring thing either. Shut up. Yeah. That's freaking awesome. Jail bars are gone. Wish you were gone. Get out of here. Anyway. Nope, we still have that problem with this interference. Damn it. Anyway, it's not paid programming, obviously.
You can start World War III from this place.
Oh, what's that?
I even used every piece of it. I got a lot of projects going, 20 hours a day.
Guess.
Why? Maybe you're out of school for the summer. Not per se, sure, but I'm taking special computer classes, and I got this marketing plan going with some other
Amdek, made by Hitachi.
After our survey results come in, I bet you we sell 5-6 million of them. Keep it on schedule, have them on shelves by late fall.
So I backed off the red drive and just had to keep messing with it. Now it's all weird. So it's been running for 10 minutes. I'm going to wait a little bit longer and make adjustments. It's kind of smearing upward. I had it right, and of course I had to keep messing with the color. We have 3 jail bars. That's the control door open. Anyway, the screen control wasn't high enough. If I had it too low, it'd be too red. Now I was doing the setup line thing. It didn't make a whole lot of sense. So I'm getting somewhere now. Here we go.
We'd be glad to help.
Thank you.
Put it on something more modern.
We'll see you Thursday at about 8 o'clock. And you're invited too, Mr. Kincaid. Thanks. Well,
I mean, it doesn't look bad.
Shalom.
Maybe a little bit green.
They say
Red.
the days of American made are long gone. Well, say that to Josh, Melanie, and Chris. At Earth Breeze, we make these sheets in America. Not because it's easy, but because it matters. Every clean little
Yellow to
laundry
red.
starts right here in Kentucky. We only use high-quality ingredients from America, Canada, and Europe. So say goodbye to big laundry corporations that don't care about the harmful ingredients that they put in your clothes.
I think this looks good, and I'm gonna quit messing with it.
And as he told you of his slaughtered cattle,
So now that I've had this experience, I regret throwing out the A-Mark TV. God, the nicotine from this thing's really getting to me. Anyway, yeah, that didn't have a weak CRT. It was just bad caps. This video's case in point. So yeah, I learned something. That TV had a Chunghwa tube, and those allegedly last a long, long time because they're an arcade chassis. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Hopefully I could get rid of that interference. Anyway, that's it for this part.